Hello students, let's continue the summary of Bassanio's fortune through this song here written. Read out. You that choose not by the view, chance as fair and choose as true. So it is written that whoever chooses this casket not by external appearance, may you be always fortunate and truthful. Since this fortune falls to you, since this fortune has come to you, that winning Portia has fallen in your hand, be content, be satisfied and seek no new. Be satisfied and don't search for any other happiness. If you be well pleased with this, if you are pleased with this, whatever you have got, and hold your fortune for your bliss, and consider this good fortune as your bliss, happiness. Turn you where your lady is, as you have won the casket, chose the right casket and won the lady. So according to the English custom, turn towards your lady, that is Portia, and claim her with a loving kiss. So now Bassanio says this line, a gentle scroll, fair lady, by your leave. By your leave means by your permission, he would accept her, claim her by giving a kiss. Then he says here, now Bassanio's reaction immediately after choosing the right casket. I come by note to give and to receive. I come by note means by this scroll I have come to you with the permission to give a kiss to you and receive a kiss from you, as now they are have every right to marry. So now simile, like one of two contending in a prize, that thinks he had done well in people's eyes. Now he narrates his emotions, how he feels, his reaction immediately choosing the right casket. His emotions are, his feelings are just like, simile, just like two contenders contending for a prize. So for one prize, two contenders, suppose two runners contending for a prize. So when they run or are competing for any game, people in the stadium used to applause, universally shout and cheer for them. So each one will be thinking that whether these applauses are for him or for the opponent. So they are confused, and also it may also they think that these applauses are for him as he is winning. So he means to say that his reaction is, his emotions are mixed emotions, very happy as well as confused. How confused? Just like two contenders contending for a prize. The prize is Portia. That thinks he had done well. Each contender thinks that he is doing well in the people's eyes. Why he thinks? By hearing the applause and universal shout. So by hearing the people's clappings, applauses, cheering for them. So giddy in spirit, still gazing in a doubt. First happiness, again also confusion, giddy in spirit. So he thinks that whether these applauses, praises for him or not. These peals of praise be his or no. So this is his reaction, confused, happy as well as confused. So thrice fair lady, stand I even so. Thrice, 3 is a magical number. So here it refers to 3 times more beautiful the lady. He addressed it. I stand here, because he is confused. He doesn't know whether these things are happening to him in reality or in his dream, imagination. That's why he says, thrice fair lady, I am standing here as doubtful whether what I see be true. I am standing here in doubt that whatever I see here, the events which are happening here are true or in my imagination. I'll stand here till you confirm me, until confirmed, signed and ratified by you. Until you confirm me that all these things are happening truly. How? By giving me a kiss. Till then, I'll be standing in doubt. Okay, so this much we'll read and find out, and also do the questions in the workbook. Any doubt, that question you can ask me. So next Portia's speech will begin in the next class. Thank you.